Welcome to my office. Funny story about this office. It was not intended to be my office. It was intended to be my partner's office, his man cave, if you will. But just like many things in this last year, we had to adapt, we had to change up our plans, and we had to make space for one another. And so I was faced with the design challenge to create a shared office space that was both functional and stylish and had enough harmony between the two sides, but also some stylistic differences to distinguish his side from my side. On his side of the office, we chose clear plastic accents with a black trim. These divided organizers are great for mail, small papers, cards, a pen organizer that matches. And we have this perforated black metal computer stand, which is great. It folds in when not in use, so it's great when you're using a separate keyboard. And we have these drawers for small paper clips, binder clips, post-it notes. They also stack, which is great, so if you need a little bit more organization, you can kind of build up. And this beautiful black lamp with a brass accent, which kind of ties the two colorways together. So now for my desk. And if you're like me, you struggle keeping your desk organized and tidy. There's a lot of little things, especially working from home. I'm spending much more time here at this desk than I ever normally would in a home office. And lots of little things start to accumulate. So I love a solution that helps me gather all of those things and keep my desk tidy. Also ones that have a nice touch of soft brass to keep it in keeping with the room and make it feminine and pretty. This tri-space organizer is great. This tray is also very handy for organizing things like staplers and calculators. And then what's really helpful are these stacking cubes. This is the perfect size for these little tacks, little wipes, change, things that start to accumulate. And they have this pretty hinged lid, again in soft brass, which matches the decor of the room. And it also comes in a larger size for some larger pieces of paper and other things, coordinates nicely. In a room like this where you have a lot going on, 2 workstations, we're cramming a lot of things in this room. And so to be efficient with space, wall storage is an excellent solution. Rather than have things on the ground, kind of lifting them up onto the wall. These baskets are unique in that they easily pop off. So when using something like this, which are paint chips, which I love to use and carry them around the house, I can easily put this back on the wall, back where it belongs. This calendar is acrylic and you can see right through it. You can see through the paint. It's not distracting. I use a dry erase marker for every month, write myself little notes, and it just works really nicely in harmony with the rest of the decor.